I'm going to teach you how you can take trips like this and like this and get paid for doing so. Not only that, I'm going to teach you how you can take $75 and turn that into a $5,000 a month residual income. That's right. That means you're going to be getting paid month after month after month. I'm going to teach you how to do it. I'm going to break down the math. We're going to take all the fluff out and give you scientific, real mathematical examples on how this has worked in the past, why it's going to work in the future, and exactly how you can turn this into a profitable opportunity for yourself. My name is Nick Nesbitt. I'm an Air Force veteran, and I've been an entrepreneur for the last 10 years. Let's not waste any more time. I think I found gold here. This is going to be the opportunity of 2024. So without further ado, let's get right into it. All right, like I said, I'm going to back this up with actual stats and show you why this is a proven thing to work. I just want to give you a couple quick examples. The coffee industry in 2023 did $125.89 billion. That's places like Starbucks, Dutch Bros, Dunkin', McDonald's, even some of your affiliate marketing opportunities like Organo Gold. All that data is compiled into the figure of the $125 billion. That's just coffee. Let's take a look at the weight loss industry and supplements industry. They did $159.69 billion in sales in 2023. Think of companies like GNC, Herbalife, Longevity, The Vitamin Shop, all these different places, and people spending their money just in order to be able to lose weight, drink coffee, things like that. But here's where I really want to focus your attention to. Check this out. In the same year, 2023, the travel industry did $3 trillion. Yes, I said trillion with a T. Think of all the airline companies out there, the cruise line companies. You have Royal Caribbean with the Icon of the Sea, the largest ship at sea that just unveiled at the beginning of 2024. You have all-inclusives, excursions, weddings. People travel for business. People travel for school. There is so much opportunity in the travel industry. Why would you not want to capitalize on that when you compare it to the others like I just showed you with coffee and weight loss, only in the billions of dollars? I know that sounds funny to say only the billions, but the truth is there is a lot of money in the travel industry. But let's shift gears over here and look at e-com. You have the e-commerce sites such as Amazon, Walmart, Postmates. That's right. You can even push a button on your phone and people will deliver things to you. They did $5.8 trillion in 2023. And there's an aspect of this opportunity where you'll be able to benefit from both travel and e-com, which should be music to your ears. All right. Now, before I break down the numbers even more to you, I want to show you some statistics of very common companies that you might know. And these are very, very big corporations. All right. So the key thing here with these figures that I want you to realize is these figures that you're looking at here only account for the membership costs. So let me break that down for you. Without Costco selling a single item, they did $4.58 billion in 2023 off of memberships alone. Netflix, without releasing a single show, even though this number probably wouldn't be as big as it is, but without releasing a single show, without a single streaming done, they collected $33 billion in membership dues alone just in the year 2023. Amazon, everybody loves to get that Prime, get those deliveries delivered straight to the front door or maybe to your office, what have you. They did $40 billion in Amazon Prime memberships. That's without selling a single product. If you just take into account the membership side of Amazon, they did $40 billion last year. And you might be asking yourself, okay, Nick, that's fantastic, but what does that mean to me? What does this have to do with $75 and turning it into $5,000? Bear with me, I'm going to show you, I promise that. All right, so turn $75 into thousands. The beautiful thing about this is that there is uncapped opportunity here. You're going to pay $75 for an opportunity to travel the world. That's right. We're talking about a membership, and this is just one aspect of it. As I mentioned, we do have some other things such as ecom. And for our international friends, because this is an international opportunity, we do have a trading side to it, which that's a $6 trillion a day, not a year, but a day opportunity. That's not available yet to those folks here in the United States, but anywhere else in the world virtually will have access to that. All right. And then so you're going to be able to share this opportunity with everyone in your network, and you'll benefit from being placed in a 2x16 forced matrix. All right. I'm going to break this down for you and show you how this is going to work. All right. And just like I said in the thumbnail of this video, okay, it's 2 easy steps. Once you get enrolled, you're going to enroll 2 people right away. All right. I want you to do this like same day. It's just 2 people. This should be fairly simple to do. All right. Once you do that, step number 2 is you're going to duplicate that exact same thing with the 2 that you signed up. And it's that easy. So I'm going to transition over to another screen right now and break down exactly what this looks like. All right. So here, this is you. You just got enrolled. And then, like I said, you're just going to simply go out there and you're going to do the exact same thing for 2 people. This can be people that you know. However, this is vitally important. Since this is a 2x16 forced matrix, this means you're going to want to put people who are producers. You're not going to want to put somebody here that's not going to go out there and do anything. But we have an advantage right now that you'll be able to take advantage of once you come on my team. And I'll explain the benefit of that here a little bit later in the video. But just for illustration purposes, this is what it looks like. You come in and then you refer 2 other people to do the exact same thing. Then you duplicate that one more time by teaching these number 1 and number 2 how to sign up 2 people, 1 and 2. Now you become what is called unified, and you get your $75 back. And you get access to a fast start bonus of $25 each for number 1 and number 2. The same will happen for your number 1 and number 2 when they go out and duplicate that same process. So I just wanted to illustrate what this looks like. And I said this is a 2x16 forced matrix. So that means that you can only have 2 people directly referred to your front level right here, 2. Then it's just going to continue to multiply by 2, 4, 8, 16, 32, so on and so on, all the way down to 16 levels, which has a total number of 65,536. But wait, when you add all of these levels up, 1 through 16, you get a total of 131,070 people. Now, here's the beauty of this. For each and every single one of these people that fall in your matrix, you're going to earn a minimum, that's right, I said a minimum of $1 per person, all the way up to about $1.40 per person, depending on how much volume that you have. But imagine you getting paid $1 for everyone in your matrix, and that's $131,000 per month just off of this revenue income stream alone. Now, I don't know about you, but I can live pretty comfortable off of $131,000 per month. You might be saying to yourself, that's going to take forever for me to fill up. Well, you could do this as fast or as slow as you want to. As you can see here, this is just 1 through 16 levels. Now, I'm going to look you directly in the eye for this next part, because you can do this as fast or as slow as you want to do this. You can do this in 1 day. You can do this in 16 days. You can do this in 1 month. You could do this in 1 year. It's all about the level of speed and duplication that you have within you and your team. Now, the benefit to this is that we are coming over from another opportunity, and we're bringing about 150,000 people with us from that opportunity, and everyone's going to get dumped here in this project. So what does that mean for you? That means if you come on my team sooner rather than later, you can click a button and you'll be entered into my matrix. Well, remember, I can only have 2 people direct to me. So where do all those other people go? That's right. They're going to fall into your matrix, and you're going to see all those people stacking up one after the other, and they're going to go out there and duplicate that same thing. So the efforts of others are going to benefit you and your team. just for being involved in this opportunity and in this matrix. So let's go back and take a look. And like I said, it's a total of 131,070 people. The way I look at it, if it takes you 1 day to do this, and it takes every other person 1 day to duplicate the 2 and get the 4, that means in theory, on a perfect 2x16 matrix, if it takes everybody 1 day, it should only take a total of 16 days for you to accomplish this. And when I tell you that people are going to be coming to this opportunity with a gusto, you do not want to get left behind. You want to stand by, ready on the trigger, ready to pull the trigger when that link comes your way, because the people who are going to sit by and watch are going to get left in the dust. I also want to heavily encourage people not to rely on spillover. Yes, spillover is great. It's lovely. We all wish that would fill our matrix perfectly, but there is no better spillover than you creating your own spillover for yourself and your team. I did want to give that little disclaimer, but please don't fret. There's going to be plenty to go around with this opportunity, and I wanted to share that with you real quick. So here is the philosophy of our company, is to teach, travel, and transform. I want to teach you how to share this opportunity with new audiences. That means you don't have to necessarily go out there and tell your mother, your brother, your cousin, your sister, your next door neighbor, your church member, all these different people. You don't necessarily have to share it with them if you don't want to. You can go out there organically and create different ways on the internet to encourage people to want to take advantage of an opportunity like this. Trust me, there's plenty of people who would love to see that type of income that we just went over. Travel the world with like-minded individuals. The amazing thing about this opportunity is that you're going to have access to rock bottom pricing. You won't be able to find any kind of pricing that comes even remotely close to what our opportunity here has to offer. I've been traveling for many years. This is a picture of my family and I in Grand Cayman, hands down one of the most beautiful beaches that I've been to date. But we're going to have access to group travel. That means that a trip might come up, and you will all be able to take advantage of group pricing and get it super inexpensive. And you don't want to miss out on those opportunities. Transform your finances and your future. What can an extra $131,000 a month do for you? What could that do for your family? Could you be able to pass down generational wealth with a residual income like that? This is a model that's been proven in the past, and this is something that we are going to dominate here in the very near future. So definitely get back with your introducer, whoever shared this video with you. Get back with them, ask for their link, ask how you can get started right away, and we will see you on a beach somewhere. Take care.